Hey, yes, it sounds kind of odd, but adding a self-powered speaker to your stereo system is absolutely possible. Welcome to the next video of the Re series, a playlist that helps you make the most of your unused audio products. First, let's make sure you can follow me because there are two requirements. Make sure your receiver has a pair of REC out ports. You never know, because like with this big one, it doesn't have them, while this little one actually does. The last requirement to follow this video is a speaker with an aux jack or a pair of RCA ports. Now you might be wondering, why even bother doing this if you already have speakers connected to your amplifier? Well, making this connection can add two benefits, and the first is that it can simply make your sound system louder, or like in my case, can help you unlock your music's hidden notes. So welcome to Simple Cafe Sound, tutorials to the point. Now, since we're working with two different types of speakers, let's make sure we clear up any possible confusion. Those speakers that you already have connected are most likely connected with this type of speaker wire. But the extra speaker that we're adding here will be with a different type of cable, either RCA or aux to RCA. In fact, that's the one that I'll be using. Which one will you be using? Well, that depends on your speaker. Does it have a pair of RCA ports like this or a single aux jack like that? Hopefully you have an old pair laying around somewhere, but if not, you can order from the link in the description. So what does rec out do anyway? Well, it means recording output, and it's actually pretty useful. See, that rec out connection forwards out whatever audio signal is in your receiver out to any other sound system. To keep it simple, anything with an aux in line or a pair of RCA inputs. And the great thing is that you won't have to do anything else other than turn on that extra speaker and turn it up as much as you want. Now look at that. You now have 3 speakers sounding off. So a louder system is the first benefit to doing this, but now come check out how I'm using this to greatly improve my own audio by accessing those once missing musical notes. Here's my current setup. A small receiver that I found on Amazon. I've had it about 4 years now and it's still going strong. Plus a pair of passive speakers I found at a thrift store for just 13 bucks.
Oh.
What I'm adding is a speaker system that I had stored away in the attic. The system itself is a subwoofer plus 2 tweeters. I'll only be using the subwoofer, well, one, because the tweeter's busted, and 2, because that's all my current setup needs is bass, which the subwoofer is designed to provide. See, in that hollowed out space, there's a speaker driver designed to generate low-key musical notes that these small regular speakers just can't play. To put it simply, those bass notes that have been in my music will finally come out. So let's go have a look at that bassful speaker I've added. Okay, here's my sound system with the subwoofer tucked in down there. Now, by the way, this is an active subwoofer, which means it needs to be plugged into power for it to work. Okay, so the power is there, ready, connected. Now I'm plugging in the aux cable into the speaker, and the other end of that aux cable is going to need to be RCA for my rec out ports in my amplifier. Here's some other cables that'll help you make the jump from aux over to RCA. So once your speaker is powered and connected to your amplifier, that's it, we're done. Now let's switch over to the live audio to experience these results. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and let's do a sound test, play some music. Okay, music's going now. Actually, I'm gonna unplug the subwoofer and plug it back in so we can really tell the difference. Now it's just the speakers going on right now, right? Some bass is gonna come on, then I'll go ahead and plug in the subwoofer. Here it comes. There it is, all right. Let me plug in the subwoofer. Okay, there it is. Now, you can't tell because you're probably listening to this from some tiny speakers, but if you were here, you would not only be able to hear the difference, but actually feel it. It's like the room is being filled out, and I love it. Here are some other videos you may also find useful. Like to help me, share to help out others, and sub to stay in the loop. But if you're feeling super grateful, you can thank me with the YouTube thanks button. Hope you get connected, and I'll see you on the next one.